In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Gumroad product after launch. Once your product is live, you might notice small things you want to fix or improve, like your description, pricing, or downloadable files. The good news is that Gumroad makes this really simple, and you can update your product at any time without having to recreate it from scratch. First, open your browser and go to your Gumroad dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual account details. The dashboard is your main control center on Gumroad, where you can see your sales, analytics, and most importantly for this video, your products. On the left-hand side or along the top, depending on your layout, look for the section labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you to a page that lists all the products you've created on your account, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already launched. Now, to edit a product that's already live, all you need to do is find it in this list and click on it. This is the key step. There's no special Edit After Launch button you need to look for. Just select the product as if you were setting it up for the first time. Gumroad will open the product editor for that specific item. Inside the editor, you can make all the changes you need. You can update the product title to make it more clear or compelling, adjust the description to better explain what buyers will get, or refine your pricing. You can also change the cover image, edit variants, or replace and upload new files if you've improved your product or fixed an issue. Take a moment to review everything carefully so that what you see matches what you want customers to see on the public product page. When you're happy with your edits, scroll down and click on Save and Continue. This step is important because it stores all the changes you've just made. If you navigate away without saving, your updates won't be applied. After saving, you'll see an option to Publish and Continue. Click on that to push your changes live. This tells Gumroad to update the live product page with your new settings and content. Your product will stay published and existing customers will still have access. You're simply refining what's already there, and that's all there is to it. By going to your dashboard, opening products, selecting the item you want to change, making your edits, saving, and then publishing, you can keep your Gumroad product polished and up to date even long after launch.